Welcome to this edition of Local Business Spotlight. Presented by Grand Splash Marketing in association with 360grandlake.com. This week, we traveled to Veneta, Oklahoma to meet with Ron Tebbs, owner of Ron's Heat and Air.
My name is Ron Tebbs. I'm originally from Nevada and I've lived here for 8 years. I started Ron's Heat and Air in 1990 and I bought out Ron Harvey, the previous owner of Ron's Heat and Air. Well, I'm kind of a toolsy kind of guy, and I started out with it as a kid, just messing with everything from lawnmowers to everything in my father's garage. And it just kind of amplified into this. My favorite part about doing business in the Grand Lake area is the down-to-earth people, and just the life out here is very, very good. The services we offer are sheet metal fabrication, service, installation, all brands, and duct cleaning. So when your ducts get dirty and you don't use a filter, we come in and clean them out for you. Our location is 408 East Illinois, and we are right across the street from Clanton's Cafe, and our business hours are 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. I got interested in this business, mainly I'm a mechanical kind of guy, and I just started playing around as a kid in my dad's garage, from lawnmowers to anything in there that I could get in trouble with, and took it from there. We want our customers to know that we strive to achieve happiness with every customer we have, is our main goal. We service all brands. We're a ream dealer, and we do have a sheet metal shop, and we service duct cleaning as well. Our base model is good, for the most bang for your buck. This unit up in the attic on the other end of 30 foot of ductwork will be a lot quieter than it is here on display. This is an 80% PSC motor. It's the most bang for your buck. The variable speed is a constant torque motor that's based on static pressure. Again, it's one speed, and then we go into our 95% furnace with a full variable speed with sensors everywhere, and it ramps up on demand for cooling based on the coil temperature, and it ramps down as needed. This right here runs on about 1/10 the power that the PSC version does. This, if you're chasing your power bill, this is again the most bang for your buck. I want my customers to know we offer yearly service contracts. You get 10% off all parts and labor for the year, including fall and spring maintenance. Our duct cleaning is performed using a state-of-the-art duct cleaning machine. Allergies are a huge issue in the Grand Lake area. Let us help you breathe easier. To schedule a duct cleaning service or service call, or to get free estimate on new ream equipment, call Melissa at 918-256-8660.